Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit cash into Monzo. First is to find a PayPoint location. Monzo uses PayPoint to cash deposits. You can find PayPoint location in many convenience stores, new agents, and supermarkets. Use the PayPoint store locator to find the nearest one. Step 2 is go to the PayPoint store. Once you've found a store, take the cash you want to deposit and also your Monzo card with you to the PayPoint location. Now let the cashier know that you want to deposit cash into your Monzo account and hand them into your Monzo card and the cash. The cashier will swipe your Monzo card and take the cash. They may ask you to confirm the deposit amount. The cashier will then give you a receipt showing the details of the transaction, and keep this receipt until the funds show up into your Monzo account. And lastly is to wait for the deposit to appear. The deposit is usually instant, but it may take up to 10 minutes to reflect in your Monzo account. You will then receive a notification from Monzo once the money is deposited. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.